Kuringana na ndumiriri iria yandikitwo ni murugamiriri wa NEMA kuma kaunti ya Kiambu Stephen Kimuntu, arugamiriri a kware-ini ni mathitwo kurugamia mihang'o yothe ya wenji wa mahiga kwa matuko 30. Oroho Kimuntu ni andikire afitha uria urugamirire wenji wa mahiga guthuthuria kana afitha uria warugamirire hindi ya mututhuko uyu ni aheanire mwerekera uria wagiriire.
They have actually moved with speed to ensure that this quarry is closed for the next 3 months, so that a proper investigation, proper audit is done, so that we can be able to understand what circumstances happen to a point where the blasting went haywire and causing some damage to the people, property or people's property living around.
Ona kuri oguo urugamiri wa kware-ini ni wambitie mihang'o ya kuriha aria nyumba ciao ihutitio ni mutino uyu. Afitha wa NEMA John Chumo ni aracirite kware-ini ino muthenya wa ira na areranira ati ni megukorwo makihariria ripoti makiria iguru ria kware ciothe kaunti-ini ya Kiambu.
The report is going to be very comprehensive. It's going to inform the way forward after the 3 months, so that our report and the report from other agencies can be used to draw a roadmap of other quarries within Kiambu County and also other quarries within the country.
Reu Chumo ni ahete mukana andu aria makite nyumba kuria gutagireire akiuga ati thirikari ndikuigucia hari kumomora guku agicokeria NEMA ngatho ni undu wa gucokia mugunda uria uriyitwo kirereshwa. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.